Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reset a template in Webflow. Whether you've made changes you want to reverse or accidentally deleted something important, knowing how to reset your template can save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once the page loads, log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to your Webflow dashboard where all your sites are displayed. Now, in your dashboard, locate the site you want to reset. Hover your mouse over that specific site and you'll notice a three dotted lines icon appear. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the site's configuration page where you can manage various aspects of your project. Once you're in the settings area, look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find different categories for managing your site. Click on Backups. This section is incredibly useful because it stores all the previous versions of your site, allowing you to track changes and restore earlier states if needed. You'll see a complete history of your site's backups listed here. To restore your template to a previous version, simply click Restore next to the backup you want to revert to. This action will reset your site to that specific point in time, undoing any changes made after that backup was created. Alternatively, if you need to make quick corrections without going through the backup process, you can head directly to your site editor. For instance, let's say you accidentally delete a text element or an image while working on your site. Instead of panicking or navigating through multiple menus, you can quickly fix this by clicking the Undo button located at the upper left of the page. This button allows you to reverse your most recent actions step by step. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard to achieve the same result. This method is perfect for small mistakes and keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. And there you have it. You've now learned two effective ways to reset or restore your template in Webflow. Whether you need to go back to a saved backup or simply undo a recent change. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.